Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the TheRcSaylors, and we're going to drive a very cool 1/10 scale electric buggy for you today. This is the ZD Racing 10421-S. It comes with a brushless motor. It is a 3350 kV brushless motor, and it's powered with a 45 amp ESC. This guy's supposed to hit 80 kilometers an hour. I think that's somewhere around 50-ish miles an hour, which is really fast. We have our little on-off switch here. This is actually a very nice hobby grade, entry-level hobby grade RC. Has very impressive looking shocks on the front and back, all independent of course.
Tires look good too.
Tires look really good, they're nice. Pretty soft rubber. I think that this is going to perform really well. You can see down in the center, that blue stick in there is the little drive shaft. It looks like it's aluminum to me. And then our included battery with a charger is a very good looking hobby grade battery that I'd buy something like this to put in any of my RCs. 2-cell 25C discharge 2400 milliamp hard case battery. Yeah, it's one of those batteries that has the bullets that disconnect here and they plug back in just to make it easy, convenient for unloading the battery and getting it in and out of your charger in the car itself. Very nice. Also, it's easier to replace wires when something would break or whatever. Very handy. I've been learning a lot about those the last, I don't know, 6 months or so. I'm kind of new to that type of battery. The spoiler or fin on the back here is held on with 2 body clips, and it came like that, disconnected. So if you choose, you can take that off if you're planning on doing some hard bashing and don't want to break that. Or if you do break it, you can replace it pretty easily. I like this. ZD Racing, we had a monster truck that was about $130, and it's been one of my favorite budget-friendly monster trucks that I have ever driven. So I'm very excited to try this Buggy by ZD Racing. It also has, I don't know if you did see it with the body on here.
I like it, the color scheme, because that is pink.
It's cool. Yeah,
it's pink.
That's pink and yellow. I do like that too.
It looks good together.
It's sharp. It really is. Very good looking little
But
bike.
that's red up there. But that right there is pink.
Here's your included charger. This is a 2 to 3 cell LiPo balance charger. It was fairly slow, maybe 2 hours or so. You can easily plug that battery into your hobby grade charger, but it does come with this. Ours has the US plug there. And then let's take a look at the transmitter, but before we do, here is your instruction manual, zip ties, and a few spare parts in there. I'm just going to set these body clips down for a second. And the transmitter is very nice. This is
Look at that bird over there.
Ooh, very
He's just hanging out. He's freaking me out.
He's hoping we feed him, probably.
Yeah. There's bread everywhere around here.
Huh. Is there bread and pudding?
No, just bread over there. He hasn't found it yet. There's bread under here too, and like nasty stuff. Doritos. Okay, transmitter.
The transmitter does need 4 AA batteries to operate, and has all the trim functions that you would want on any vehicle. You've got reverse throttle and your steering reverse. You have throttle trim, steering trim, and steering dual rates, so you can adjust how sensitive that is. And then our on-off switch is right there on the back. The foam steering wheel feels pretty good. It definitely doesn't feel like a $700 transmitter or anything, but it feels good. It's a nice full-size transmitter, and I like that a lot. 1/10 scale Buggy by ZD Racing. We'll have it linked in the description box below. I really am excited about this because we've had some kind of cheaper ground vehicles on the channel lately. So this is stepping up a little bit. Let's see how it runs. And did I mention it has a Dean's connection? So that's awesome. I love that it's actually a good connection on the battery. Half of my batteries are Dean's. So here's our power. And there's our boot up. We are connected. Sounds great. Look at that steering servo. Very nice. Okay, I'm excited to get some power in this thing. Okay, this is going to be very fast, I can tell. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Gone.
Let me kick that
Wow.
out.
Did you lose signal? So you lost signal?
Yeah, it's actually acting really funny right now.
Huh.
Kind of acted like there was some interference, so let's just give this another shot. Could have been from that big giant metal roof over there. Oh, it gets stuck on. Yeah, I have no range on this at all.
So what's this switch up here?
I already threw it. Yeah.
Doesn't do anything?
Well, not that I can notice yet. Sometimes that's like a dual rate, but I'm having very bad signal issues. It definitely just requires 4 AA's, and those are brand new 4 AA's. I've never witnessed such bad signal issues on something of this price point and quality.
I wanted this to be good.
I really want this to be good. Let's just try it close range at first and see if there's the reason we're doing this is so you guys can see how close we have to get before we get our signal back. Right there. Just a little. Okay, there we go. So I'm probably 40, 50 or so feet away.
200 meter range.
That's what it says there. It gets stuck. I'm going to let you drive it in a minute.
Okay.
But it gets at about 30 feet away or so. It gets stuck in whatever. If I have throttle on and left steering at 50 feet, it gets stuck at that, and then it just kind of turns off. So, yeah, I just lost it right there. Potentially very dangerous.
My turn.
Okay, Abby's back.
Took off.
Yeah. When it's driving, it feels really good. It's a real shame. Now this can be easily fixed with a better transmitter receiver combo, and we're definitely gonna have to do something like that with this because this is a nice buggy. You're just going slow to get a feel for it. Yeah.
I mean, it handles really
it handles.
well.
It's very well built. This is just we're getting some bad luck here with our transmitter receiver combo, and you're probably lost.
Yeah.
Yep. This has a range issue.
Oh
so
my gosh.
you guys know on our channel what we do is the out-of-the-box experience. A lot of times we'll either sell this very cheap to somebody that will know how to fix it, or there's a car coming, so she's pulling me out of the road now. Give us a second until the car passes. We do our out-of-the-box experience, and this out-of-the-box has range issues. Now,
And that makes it kind of dangerous because it could just full throttle take off.
yes.
So.
A lot of times we'll give this to a friend that could fix it, sell it cheap to somebody that knows how to fix it. Sometimes I'll take the project on myself and try to fix it. This just needs a different receiver with a different transmitter.
I'm sad. That's my first buggy with pink on it.
Yeah,
it sucks.
so in this case, I will probably keep this and get a better transmitter receiver combo, and
we'll probably just give it to somebody.
maybe, I don't know. It's very exciting. I like ZD Racing a lot.
So good.
The ZD Racing monster truck didn't have this range issue at all. Ah, landed. Yeah, sorry guys, this is a bit of a dud, but I suppose that's better.
The body clip.
I suppose that's better than you guys buying this and realizing that it'll only drive 30, 40, 50 feet before you lose range. She says, pass it on to someone else. I say, I might try to just put a new receiver in there.
Well, I just broke the spoiler, so. Whoops.
On that cool little cartwheel ramp she showed you, this happened. So maybe it's not worth keeping, I don't know. It's not actually not a lost body clip, but the plastic underneath broke off, so it's poorly made, I guess. Just come on, ZD Racing, you had such a cool monster truck, why'd you take a shortcut on this? Oh, I'm so disappointed. Well, okay, passing the savings on to you guys. If you appreciate it, then be sure to stop by our Patreon page to say thank you, RC Sailors. And if you say thank you $5 worth, you will get some RC Sailors stickers and entered into our monthly Patreon exclusive drawings.
Even Mother Nature is sad because it's just starting to sprinkle.
What?
Yep.
No!
She says, this sucks.
Oh. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
And there's the rain.